is how after lunch on Friday looks. Everybody's excited. The kids have already finished their schoolwork. Lego action is already happening. And it finally stopped raining for a little bit anyway. I think it's supposed to start back up, but at the moment, no rain. We had thunderstorms all morning. They started at like 4:30 or something, I think. Tomorrow, though, it's supposed to be a pretty day. But we're about to brighten up this rainy day with a cupcake party tonight. But first, we gotta clean up our mess so we have room for the cupcake party. Okay, y'all, we are ready to get this cupcake party started. First, me and Sissy are just gonna make the cupcakes. We have funfetti and triple chocolate fudge. For some of the funfetti ones, we're doing cupcake cones or cone cupcakes. I'm not sure exactly which one they're called, but it's where you put an ice cream cone on the top of the batter, and then when it's done, it looks like a little ice cream on top of the cone, but it's actually a cupcake. So those are the ones we're gonna make first because they're not gonna take as long to bake as just regular cupcakes. So we have the jumbo ice cream cones for those, and then we have lots of different toppings and things that we're gonna decorate with. So I'm gonna show y'all 10 cupcake ideas. I'm gonna let the kids decorate theirs however they want to, if they wanna do some of the ones I do, or if they wanna make up their own decorations. But I'm gonna show y'all 10 really cute ones that are not just for Easter, they're for spring too, spring and Easter. Adorable cupcake cuteness. Real quick, we'll go through the decorating supplies. We have the Reese's Pieces eggs. I did get this kit because I lost my star decorating tip and I needed piping bags anyway. And this comes with the bags and decorating tips, 4 different ones. So I just went ahead and got that. We have some black decorating gel, 2 different kinds of sanding sugar. We have pink and purple. Then just some spring sprinkle mix. We have 1 pack of Peeps, yellow bunnies. Some food coloring, I need orange and green. So we got this pack. We have candy eyeballs that these look like, yeah, they look like cookies and cream candy eyeballs. I don't know if y'all can see, they're not very white. They look kind of gray, like, anyway, we got those. We have just the regular Reese's Pieces, mini marshmallows, regular sized marshmallows, some sour Easter grass that the kids already taste tested, M&Ms, the pastel colored M&Ms, some gold bunnies, which me and Sissy taste tested one of those, they're good. And then this stuff I already had here. We just have some semi-sweet chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, chocolate sprinkles, coconut. We're gonna need to toast some of that for one of the cupcakes. And then I have these cupcake liners, and Sissy already put the silicone cupcake liners in. Oh, and right here we have white melting wafers, 2 things of white frosting, and 1 milk chocolate frosting. I think that's all we're gonna need. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. We'll start with the funfetti cone cupcakes. Just make the batter just like the box says, and then
do top of box.
I think we'll do the whole egg recipe. It doesn't have to be the egg white, so the top one will be fine. I think we'll just do 4 of the cake cone ones. What do you think? 4 or 6? We'll do 6, I guess. Yeah. While she's doing that, I'll be organizing this stuff over here a little bit more. And you know what? I'll go ahead and toast the coconut because the oven's already preheated. I'll just grab a little round cake tin. For these coconut ones, we'll probably just do a couple of these. So I'll just need probably about half a cup of coconut. I'm gonna spread it out really good so it all gets nice and brown. Should be good. We'll just put this in the oven for about 5 minutes. We started with an extremely stormy day, but now the sun's coming out. All right, so I just have these little trays here. These are, 3 in 1. And then I have these little bowls that we're gonna put the toppings in. That way when the kids get ready to decorate, everything's just, where they can see it and we don't have all the boxes and stuff in the way. So we're gonna do 6 of these cone ones. I'm gonna spray the muffin tin real quick. It says to put just 3 tablespoons of the batter into the muffin tin. Now, I just got funfetti and chocolate, but you can use any flavor cupcakes. Like when we get to the carrot ones that we're gonna be decorating, I think those would be fun to actually have carrot cupcakes. Lemon ones would be really pretty for one of the chick ones that we're making because it's a yellow chick. Okay, we're just gonna put the cones on the top. Oh, let me check the coconut, Sissy. Oh, I burnt the coconut. I burnt the Oh goodness. Oh dear. That is not a pretty smell. At least I have more. That would be some burnt grass. Somebody was burning some grass. Let me get this outside real quick. I want to set off the smoke alarm. Take 2 on the coconut. These are gonna go in the oven at 350 for about 17 minutes. I'm gonna start checking them at 12 minutes or so, but I don't really know how you check these with the cone on top, but we'll see what's happening in there at 12 minutes. Okay, so I got the white melting wafers melted down. I'm just stirring them. A few little parts in here that still need to melt. And we're gonna divide them between these 2 jars. I'm gonna put a little bit more in one than the other. We're gonna color 1 bag orange and 1 bag green. We're gonna make candy carrots. And I'm just gonna mix them up in the bag. You wanna help, Manny? Kind of fun, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all, so this isn't going as planned with the melting wafers, but we're still making it work. We're just gonna shape our little carrots here, just like that. I think we'll just need about 3 of these. We'll take the green, put on the top there. So there are our carrots. Now, we're gonna take this little thing here and gently come across to make some lines on the top of the carrot. Or you can just use a fork, you know. We just found this earlier. Okay, now we'll let those dry. Those are gonna be our little candy carrots. Over here, we're gonna go ahead and make some flower petals and little ears for lambs. To do that, we're gonna use the marshmallows and the sanding sugar. Now, I forgot this earlier. I had it in the cabinet. I have some blue and yellow. We're gonna pour those out right here too. For the flower petals, we're gonna use the regular sized marshmallows. And all you have to do is take your marshmallow and cut it just like that. And then you dip it in the sanding sugar and you have flower petals. And then we'll just sit them right there. For the lamb ears, and probably the nose too, we're gonna use marshmallows. For the ears for the lamb, we'll do the same thing. You wanna cut it at that angle so you get this shape. We'll dip it in the pink. And then for the nose for the lamb, we'll cut the marshmallow just right in half. And that'll be for the nose. Oh, look at the yellow flower petals. Those are pretty. You can also do the marshmallows like this for bunny ears if you want to do bunny ones. I've got the cone cupcake things over here like this because it said to, you know, turn them upside down, and I mean, I'm not sure how else you could do that. If I tried to stand it up, it was kind of smushing the cupcake, so that's what I did right there. We're gonna let them cool for a little bit, and then we'll just take like a, I'm not sure, we'll see how they come out. We might have to take a fork or a butter knife or something and go around and see if we can get them to come out. Cece's already got the chocolate batter over here, so as soon as our other funfetti ones come out, or we get those cake cone ones out, we'll get the chocolate ones in the oven. Okay, y'all, I'm over here at the cupcake cone section, and as you can see, we lost 2. Good thing we made extra ones. We did get these 2, and hopefully we can get these. That's how they look. I'm just having to use this knife. I tried other things that did not work, but this knife is working. And as you go down in there, you kind of want to push like you're pushing up under it to loosen it. And I sprayed these really good, but they are just not wanting. There we go. That one came, oh, it's great. It came out great that time. Okay, let's see if we can get this last one. Oh, wait, I forgot. This last one we already tried. We didn't get it. Anyway, they turned out really good. You just, when I tried these, I wasn't using the knife. And yeah, that's what happened. But how far does the cake go into the cone? Let's figure that out. Just about right there. Let's see what that tastes like. The cone gets kind of soft. I mean, it's still crunchy, but it's a little soft. It's good. And at least we have 3 that were a success. All right, we've got the last batch of cupcakes in the oven. They just have probably about 10 minutes left on them. The next thing we need to do, I think we have all of our decoration supplies ready except for the frosting colors that we need. We need green, yellow, orange, and pink. For the pink, I'm gonna go ahead and put in a few of the cookie crumbs. This one is for a speckled cupcake. Y'all know I love speckled things. With the cupcake cone, whatever these things are called. We'll start with that one. They're very simple. You just frost it, put your spring sprinkles on. We're just using plain white frosting for these, and we're going to be very gentle because we don't want to knock it off the cone. Now we just dip it in our sprinkles. Up next, the flour. We have a funfetti cupcake. We're just gonna put a little layer of frosting, doesn't have to be a lot. So we've got the frosting on there. We're gonna use a yellow M&M for the middle, and then we just take our petals and just go around the M&M. There we go. Up next, the lamb. Starts the same way as the flour. We just put a little bit of the white frosting. Now if I remember right, it seems like we did these lambs years ago, or maybe we did a cake like this. I know we've done either cake or cupcake before. So we need regular mini marshmallows and the pink ears and nose, or you can do any color. Cece's gonna do a blue one later, she said. We're gonna put just a few around the back, then we'll put the ears right there, just like that. Now we'll put 3 right there in between the ears, and then we'll come down around here and finish off the marshmallows. So that's what we've got so far. Now we make the face. We just have the black decorating gel. We're gonna do the eyes and the mouth, and then the nose. And that's it. Up next, another really easy one, the Peeps one. We're just gonna put some green frosting on here for grass, and then you just put a peep right there in the middle. Next, we're gonna try the chick one. So we have our funfetti cupcake still. This is food coloring and writing things on my hand, y'all. I'm washing them, but they got a little stained up from it. So we're just gonna go around with our star tip and kind of pull up on it, and we want to, you know, have it looking like little chick feathers. One of its feathers got sad right there. We'll see if we can fix it. There we go, that's a little better. Now we just put the eyes, and we have half of a regular Reese's Pieces that we use for the little beak, and then you can just put some sprinkles around the top. Next, we're gonna do the bird's nest one. So once again, a little bit of white frosting, and we need our coconut flakes. You see the toasted coconut. This one's gonna be a little tricky, what we're gonna try here, but we'll see if we can make it work. So we've got the toasted coconut that we made earlier. We're just gonna dip this into the coconut. I think that'll be the easiest thing to do. You know what I should have done first? I think we need to put a little hole right here in the top, because I'm not sure that our eggs are gonna sit on here if we don't. So let's cut a little hole out here. Put a little frosting in there. Got the blue ones? Okay. We've got the blue Reese's peanut butter eggs. We're gonna try to make little baby birds here. For the beak, we're bringing over a peep. We're gonna cut its ears off. Sorry, peep. Now we take the tips and cut them at a slant, just like that. Now the beak should just stick right on there because they're sticky anyway. So there's the beak, pretty big beak for a baby, but that's okay.
Might be nosy.
Yeah, maybe we'll go this way. We'll go this way with it. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it, Sissy?
Yeah.
Now we need that black gel again for the eyes. You can also use a food marker if you have one of those, but we're just gonna see if we can put our eyes on here with this. And I don't know if we can fit 3 birdies in there. We might be able to. We'll just do a little eye, little eye. This one's eye got messed up. He's been crying. He want his mommy. There we go, baby birds in the nest. Okay, the next one, super easy. The speckled cupcake. I just made enough pink frosting for one of these. All you gotta do is add crushed Oreos to your frosting, and you've got speckles. For these, we need the chocolate cupcake, chocolate bunny, grass, and sprinkles. Now we're gonna make one of the carrot ones. So we have a chocolate cupcake. We're gonna put a little chocolate frosting on here. We have Oreo cookie crumbs. So we're just gonna take the cupcake, dip it into the crumbs, make it look like we have some dirt on there. Now the carrot, these are like carrot patch cupcakes. So we just do a little swirl like it's the top of the carrot. We're gonna use these little green straws. Sissy's already cutting them in half for me. They actually might need to be a little bit shorter, Sissy, just a little. We're gonna take these and just stick them right down in here, like that. For this carrot one, we're using a chocolate cupcake with white frosting. We're just gonna take this again and go around. You can use a fork for this part too. Just wanna make some lines on here. And then we put our carrot on top.
I want the orange one. What's your favorite? Do you want to do a chocolate or a funfetti? A funfetti.
You want that kind?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want it to be around in a circle, or do you want it to be little things like that?
Mm-hmm.
Which way?
I want to do
Oh, you want to do it? Okay, go ahead. Squeeze from the top up here so it goes down. There you go. It's done? You want to put some sprinkles or something on it?
Yeah. I kind of want.
There's Sissy's. Look at that happy chick.
Can I eat it now?
Uh-huh.